That is the entrance here in what place this? That is the entrance. So this is the place. Yeah, you see that, and you see that temple. Yeah. Okay, there. Kung saan tayo pupunta. Okay. See you. Yeah, this is the Wat Kok Saman Kun Temple. So this is what you see inside there. And there. So let's go. I think. Many people here. I don't know if there is an entrance. I think there is an entrance fee. So let's go inside. We're here, so we need to see what's inside the Wat Praprang Samyot. I don't know what's the meaning. I don't know if that's the name or what, because all written in Thai. So price is 60 baht per person. So I will pay for the 60 baht. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, I pay 60 baht. So let's go inside of this beautiful temple. Yeah, so let's see what's inside the temple. Okay, so this is the entrance of the temple. So I give this, and then I go inside the temple. Thank you.
Welcome.
Good morning.
Morning.
So this is what you see inside the temple. Okay. So later we will go inside. Later we will go. But for now, let's check. Let's see. So this is the temple. Okay. Should I go live? Yeah. So many people are taking pictures. Yeah. Yeah, you see? They are all taking pictures. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what's inside the temple. This is very good, ah. This is very good. Okay. So, ayan. Nabad ko yung shoes ko before I go upstairs. So, there is happening here. So, let's go. Okay, now. Let's go inside the temple. Okay. Thank you. So this is it. Let's go inside. Sorry.